Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to add different sidebars to pages on WordPress. But before getting started this video, don't forget to subscribe, how to earn minute. So first of all, open your WordPress dashboard and then go to plugins and click on add new. So basically we are going to install a new plugin and search here the plugin name custom sidebar. So we have to install this first plugin and make sure to activate this plugin. And when you successfully installed and activated the plugin, go to appearance and widgets. So after coming into widgets section, here we can see this is the theme sidebars, and this is the option to create a new sidebar. So I'm going to create a new sidebar for my about page, but before doing that I'm going to show you the present sidebar of my about page. So here we can see the sidebar. So now let's create a new sidebar for my about page. So click on create a new sidebar and give here sidebar name. I'm giving here about, and then click on create sidebar. So here we can see a new section has been created. Now we have to put the widgets here. So I want to add a new calendar to my about us page with sidebars. So I'm giving a title here, calendar, and then click on save. Now go to page editor. So I'm going to edit my about page, and to the right hand side here we can see a new option has been added, sidebars. We have to open this and click here, click on this footer and select here. I'm selecting my new sidebar, which one I just created, and then clicking on update. And now I'm going to show you the preview. So here we can see my about page sidebar has been changed, and before there was many option or many widgets, and now we can see only one widgets, and this is only calendar. And now I'm going to show you so now I'm going to change my blog page sidebar. So I'm going to show you present sidebar. Here you can see info widgets, search widgets, meta widgets, and calendar. So now I'm going to make a new sidebar for my blog page. So first of all, I'm again going to my appearance and widgets section, and now I'm again clicking on create a new sidebar, and I'm typing here blog. I'm giving a name for my new sidebar, blog, then click on create sidebar. So the sidebar has been created. Now I'm going to add adding audio to this sidebar and giving a title audio and save. And then I'm going to edit my blog page. So after opening blog page editor, scroll down to the right hand side, and here we can see the option sidebars, but here is no option to select or change sidebar. So here you can see to change the sidebar for blog page, we need to go to widgets page. So go to widgets and sidebars for blog. Here you can see sidebar location, so we have to click on sidebar location, and now select the location and save changes. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, how to earn minute. Thanks for watching this video.